Paidbah kini kinong rai.
Professor Lakhon kema ubadai ukertong shimet hak election Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ulaong ba ka Jingshahrem jeng kadai na kadaw ba uyakun kum ukertong shimet klem yadon benta bat kanu kaseng. Ulaban syusyu ba wat hapedeng ka Jingshahrem unom kan Hadien Henry unjai beteng banyakun na kabenta ki Paidbah jong gejela. Ulapha e gejing ai kublei ya MP batamai ke Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon bat ukermen banyatai halor kimat bakentop ya kanehu ha Parliament.
Yeah, I mean, it's being first time, because I'm told by many, and of course I have also seen over the decades maybe, generally an independent candidate don't go beyond 4,000-5,000 votes, particularly, even if he is a repeated contestant, For me being first time, because I've never fought an election, I think the numbers that I got is encouraging. Naturally, it cannot be satisfactory because I can only pray for him, and I wish that he really delivers, because getting elected is one thing, delivering is another important aspect.